you have link video. Make basics clear. Okay, let's start the maps in Counter-Strike 1.6. You have to open the Counter-Strike first, open the location, and there you go. There you have to search some maps. Maps could be in CS 1.6. And you need maps. Okay, there is maps. Now download the map file and make sure you copy both of these, text and other one. Just drag and drop. And there you go. Now run the game. Wait a little bit. I think it's low. Now it's fine. And now you have to find your map that you have linked to the video. Make basics clear. Let's start. Hello. Actually, I'm using new Windows with the old game, so many issues. Also, next up, how to fix CS. Okay, how to fix General 0 hour. So, see you in the next video very soon. Alright, lovely point. There we go.